How to share screen on Instagram video call. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to share screen on Instagram video call. So for that case, first of all, update your Instagram application and make sure to go and log in into your account. When you're logged in, then go ahead and press the DMs icon from the top right hand side corner, and right on this page go ahead and select the contact to whom you wish to go ahead and start the call. So press the icon from the top right. So when you start the call, it's gonna show up like this, and the other person has actually received your call. And this is how it's gonna divide the screen. So all you have to do is, in order to share the screen, you can see right at the bottom you have your face or your screen, right? So under it you can see there are multiple tabs. So right in center there's this arrow icon. Go ahead and press on it, and when you do that, you could go ahead and watch out the reels together. So that's basically how you can select the reel, and then you could go ahead and watch out together. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.